Crommelins Fire Fighting Pump range is ideal for many applications that require water at high pressure, including water transfer for dams, washing farm equipment, and of course firefighting. The firefighting hose kit can be used to prevent fires from reaching your property by watering your tree canopy, wetting the roof of your house, or connecting into a sprinkler system. Crommelins has single and twin impeller options, and the pump can be mounted in a heavy-duty steel frame or even on a trolley for easy transport. Powered by petrol or diesel engines, the Crommelins firefighting pumps are assembled in Western Australia. Visit crommelins.com.au for more information or to find your local dealer.